po, welcome ulit po sa channel ko, mga lovely subscribers, new viewers, welcome. Don't forget, at the end or before matapos nyo tapusin yung before matapos yung panoorin yung reading na ito, yung video na po ito, lalo na sa mga bagong mga viewers dyan, please don't forget to subscribe, help me build my channel back. If you know someone po na makaka-resonate nito po sa mensahe na po today, please share it to them as well po. Kasi baka hindi nyo alam po na ito palang readings na ito makakatulong pala sa kanila, 'di ba? So, please don't forget to share it as well. So, this is just timeless and collective reading, and today's reading po is month of August. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pagbabago na parating o kung ano yung sitwasyon, may changes ba, may shifting ba. Tingnan natin for the month of August. Okay po? So, yung una yung mensahe po is manifestation. Oops. Complete. Manifestation complete. It is done. Your financial goal is manifested. Okay. Your goal, your dream is turning to reality na po. Magkakatuo-tuo na po siya. Okay? Siguro kasi you have the strong feelings, no, na marunong ka through that strong feelings, no, na positive din yung, grabe, strong din ang positive ng iniisip, no, na you are calling the positive energy, no, na I'm focused, kailangan lang ko mag-focus, kailangan ko mag-positive. You are so strong in that. So, parang through that, tinawag mo yung positive energy, kaya yung goal mo, yung dream mo, nagmamanifest na siya po ba? Makukuha mo na siya. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi dyan po. Meron tayong 10 of Cups. Titingnan natin sa tarot nyo din kung anong mga mensahe. We'll put it from me. Don't know where to put that one. Maybe we'll put that one. Now we put it in here. Okay. And then we put it in here. Meron tayong 10 of Cups. Meron tayong 3 of Cups. Maybe we put that way. Tapos, meron tayong, oh my God, the Sun. See? Manifestation. You already manifested it. Yung mga goals mo, dream mo, kung ano man yan, magkakatutuo na po. You're gonna be feeling content lang po. This is anything from relationship, career, money, kung ano man yung minamanifest mo po na goal, na dream. But mostly, this one is financial, pera po. Ito, for some of you or most of you, pera talaga ang minamanifest nyo for this month of August. Heavily manifestation is tungkol sa kapirahan nyo. See? 10 of Cups, celebration, makukuha mo na. This is the confirmation of this one. You're gonna be emotionally fulfilled. See? Another 3 Cups, celebration, another confirmation. You are going to be feeling like parang naghihilom na yung mga sugat mo na the past na what you are going through. Na kabigat-bigat ng problema mo sa kapirahan mo, tapos nagipit ka, hindi mo alam, tapos may inaantay ka, ang tagal ibigay. So this is it now. This is the confirmation. You actually have a very good card. You have a good energy. From 10 of Cups, 3 of Cups, and the Sun. The divine universe is shining you your energy. Napaka-strong mo talaga kasi manifesting something you go or dream, hindi easy. But you got there. And the sun, the divine universe, is shining you through that na makuha mo talaga na ma-manifest mo siya. Celebration, emotionally fulfilled, contentment. There you go, success. Happiness. It's all in there. You've got it. Whoever can resonate this, you've got it. Okay, meron tayong the world. Ang ganda ng energy nyo. Oh. See? The world. Completion. Tapos na. Tapos na ang pag-aantay mo, especially sa kapirahan mo. For some of you know, relationship, career, business, this is also your readings. But most of all po, itong reading na po, it's heavily something to do with your financial. Okay? Sa kapirahan nyo. Ang ganda talaga ng ano nyo. Card nyo. Meron tayong King of Pentacles. Masosolve din ang problema mo. Okay? Masosolve ang problema mo dahil makuha mo na yung pera na inaantay mo. If this is something to do with business, you're gonna be a successful business, maging successful yung business mo, lalo na sa kapirahan mo. Parang yung business mo na, parang yung pera niya magre-raise siya ba? Parang may dadagdag siya. Madagdagan yung pera mo sa business niyo po. Okay? If this is the career, if you are waiting for a career na waiting for someone to contact you no na tungkol sa career po, makukuha mo na din po. Okay? It's something to do with relationship. Magkakatuluyan kayo. At this point, no month of August, your energy sa relationship nyo po, kung kayo po ay single, tapos meron na kayong boyfriend, meron na kayong kasintahan, magkatuluyan po kayo. Yung relationship nyo po is okay po. Masaya naman, walang problema. Walang problema sa month of August. Okay? Meron tayong 9 of Pentacles. See? Malaki pala itong pera na ito. Malaking pera kasi kontento kayo. Another confirmation po, kontento ka talaga. Emotionally content ka, emotionally fulfilled ka. Emotionally happy ka talaga. Hindi mo ma-measure yung kaligayahan mo nito. Sobra. The Hermit. Parang self-discovery to na yung you learn yourself na how to manifest it. Through sa napaka-strong talaga ang positive na I will get this money. Yung mga positive na mga thoughts mo, instead na mga negative yung isipin mo, puro positive. Kaya parang mo siya na natawag mo yung positive energy. Kasi continue kahit nasaktan ka na, kahit bigat na ang loob mo dahil sa problema na yan, nagpatuloy ka pa rin na mag-isip na mga positibo. Kaya yan. Nakuha mo siya. Self-discovery yan. Hindi mo alam na ganyan pala. Pero, ni ano mo lang siya, nag-continue ka naging positive kasi alam mo deep inside in your heart na it is meant for you to find that money. It is meant for you to receive that money. Or sa career ba to, you also base also for your career as well. You are meant to find that career. Ginaidan ka para makuha mo yung trabaho na yan, para maka-apply ka. Binigyan ka ng award, kung sa business man ito, binigyan ka ng award ng Divine Universe na magkaroon na yung kapirahan mo sa business mo, mag-raise up siya. Okay? Completion na siya, tapos na ang pag-aantay mo, tapos na ang paghihirap mo. Darating na siya. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi ng dito, energy mo. Ano pa? Wala ka nang ikabahala. Expect mo na ang kailangan i-expect mo. Kasi nandyan na, parating na yan. King of Cups. Kuha pa tayo. Ang mo pati, yung parang, yung intuition mo ba, yung iniisip mo, inaano mo siya, parang kinukunik mo sa heart mo na, kailangan kong mag-positive, kailangan ko kasi, itry ko itong gawin na ito, kasi everybody, not everyone but some, no, na marunong mag-manifest. Pero ikaw ay bago lang nakuha mo, na manifest mo siya. Self-discovery. Na-discover mo lang yan ngayon. Napaka mo talaga, yung intuition mo ba, napaka-strong. Ano pa? Meron tayong Page of Pentacles. Parang some of you know, parang ni-wish mo to upon the star. Ni-wish mo to upon the star. Na kaya narinig ka ni Divine Universe. That's why the universe is shining you, the sun that's shining, yung ni-wish mo, during sa wish mo, the Divine Universe take a shine on you, and it's shining you back na ma-manifest mo siya energy na ito. It's really good. Yeah. So, makaka-receive ka din ng news tungkol sa pera na yan. And sa career, keep an eye on your, sa mga phone nyo po. Kasi baka tatawag sila sa'yo na, I don't know kung i-interview po kayo o basta makuha mo daw yan, yung trabaho na yan. At tatawagan ka nila. Okay? May news na parating sa inyo din. Okay? And for the business, this is your news na ang kapirahan nyo po, magli-level up po. Madadagdagan yung kapirahan nyo po for this month of August po. Uy, ang dami naman. Kunin na natin tong isa kasi nakabukas siya, nakaganyan na siya. 5 of Wands, see? Tingnan mo yung mga tao dyan sa 5 of Wands. They are busy gathering, tapos nagsasayaw sila. I think they're having a celebration. Parang to siya, nagse-celebrate ka with group of people. Hindi ko alam kung pamilya mo ba ito. You are sharing your news to them ba? Na you are sharing the celebration, the news to them na after you went through obstacles, no? Even though test lang yun na binigay ni Divine Universe sa iyo, ganun pa rin. You went, ka talaga. You put your faith to the Divine Universe with a strong positive na mga ano nyo, strong positive faith, mga thoughts nyo, yung puro talaga strong na mga positive na mga energy ang inaano mo, minamanifest mo. That's why you are manifesting this energy. Ang ganda ng reading nyo. Whoever is this. Wow. Ang ganda ng month ng August nyo po. Talagang sasaya ka. Ang ganda ng energy mo. Complete na eh. Completion na yung ano mo, paghihirap mo, pag-aantay mo. Okay, ano pa? Oops. Ay, may dalawa tayo. Kunin na lang natin yung dalawa. 10 of Swords. See, endings. Matatapos na talaga, endings. Matatapos na kasi makukomplete na siya. Matapos na ang pag-ano mo, pag-aantay mo, pag-suffer mo. Tapos na siya. See? Meron tayong 10 of Wands. Celebration! Tingnan mo yung mga ano niya, fireworks niya, di ba? May good news talaga parating sa inyo, guys. Kung sino man ito, okay? My good news, you're celebrating with group of people. It might be your family, I don't know. Na i-share mo yung good news, i-share mo yung ano mo, kaligayahan mo sa kanila. Okay? You have a good positive energy, everybody. Kung sino mang naka-resonate ito, I hope na mag-comment po kayo because I would like to know kung sino po ito. And don't forget to hit that bell as well para pag-upload ko, ma-notify po kayo. Una kayong ma-notify po na naka-upload na po ako ng readings. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Help me build my channel back again. And hype my video. Share this reading as well, everybody. Thanks for watching. Paalam muna.